How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, ready to catch you guys bottoms and tops in the stock market. I look for trend reversals. I have two different strategies. I have the momentum side, and then my bread and butter type of plays where I make massive money is bottom reversals, and that is finding price near my lower band, trading it to the upside for the EMA 10 and 20, rinsing and repeating the plays. So now we're at a scenario where price has pumped way up. So if you wanted to get into it, this is the best way to do it, and it's really the only way to do it. And but it is more risky. I'm gonna be straight up honest with you. When stocks pump, especially pennies, they got the reputation for what? Pumps and dumps. And so we know where prices are gonna go to. So we want to make sure we trade it the best way we know. So like I said, my bread and butter is bottom reversals. So if you're in my Discord, you will get alerts on bottom reversal plays that are at this scenario right in here under the bottom band, and it has time distance plus massive room to get to that 10, the 5, 10, and 20. That's the best kind of plays that I'm going to show you guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I am going to try to work my butt off, guys, and I'm really want you guys all to be profitable, and this system does work. I promise you, if you do the bottom reversal type of systems, your win ratio is over 95%, and I have the proof to prove it. I only lost one trade in the past 8 months, trading it down here at the lower band, using time distance, using all the EMAs. So, the EMAs I want to talk about is the 5, 10, and 20. The 5 is the purple one, the 10 is the yellow, and then the 20 is this blue one right here. The ones we care about the most are really the 10 and the 20. The 5 is a nice conservative bounce, but oftentimes you really want to do the 10. So what we see here is when price gets close to the upper band, it tends to sell off. And where does it go to? Usually your 5, 10, and 20. This time it hit all of it. And then look, we get the bounce effect right from here to here. We hit the upper band again, sells off a little before the close, and then we shoot right up to this high. It can't sustain it, so we knew it was going to go down. And where does price go to? And that's your EMA 10. So this is very crucial. I use the term EMA 10 as the trampoline effect. So a lot of people be buying it, right here, probably right in here, and then it goes down a little, probably scared a little somebody, and that's totally fine. That is totally fine if it goes a little bit under. Give it some time, and then wait for that bounce up. A lot of people, I recommend saying, have your stop loss, have it tight right under the 20 if you want to do the trampoline effect. So your risk versus reward is definitely there. You risk buying it from the 55, 54, 53, 51 cent, and your stop loss would be like 48 cents. But then look at this. You have the trampoline effect, and we had that nice bounce, reclaiming the EMA 5s, 10, and 20s where they're curling up again. Can it get back up to this upper band? Absolutely. Am I saying it's going to do it? Not, I'm not going to ever say that. Price does not have to hit this upper band. It's just really rare when it does. And if it does do it, nobody should holding shares. I don't care if it's right in here, you made money. You just don't hold it, right? Because the chances are you lose all your gains and you have a higher high and higher low, which is nice, but one of these times it's not going to happen where it's just going to be like FFIE, where it hits this and it'll plump. But it's going to take some news to do that. That is one thing. It's going to take some news, earnings, some really bad things, dilution, reverse splits, any type of that, right? And that's the thing with pennies, is they get a lot of that down negative news. When I trade bigger cap stocks, these work these work beautiful, right? But BNED is working very nice. We had the first EMA 10 bounce right in here. It bounced perfectly. Our second bounce was right here. But one thing I do want you guys to keep in mind, we are going to hit the EMA 20, which is here. So don't be afraid. Like, if it does hit the EMA 20, it's game over. I'm just saying it's going to hit that. No matter what price in the history of stock market, as you can see, when price goes down, it resets and hits the 5, 10, and the 20. It has to, and then it makes that big move from the 20. The 20 is just very scary because when it does hit that, it's going to go big up or big down. Nobody knows where it's going to go. As you can see right in here, hits the 20 and makes that big move. Hits the 20 right in here, makes that big move down. And it's just been constantly doing it. Right here, we have a big upper wick hitting the 20. Algo's completed their mission. Same thing right here. Look at this beautiful short. Hits the upper band, has nice time distance, and bam, goes down. This is a very nice trade for the trampoline effect. Anybody that took my advice on the last video that I made on around May 24th or May 23rd, I said look for the trampoline effect, just like this area here for the nice bounce up, and it went up 15%. Does it have more room in the pocket? Just trail and stop your guys. Trail stop your loss, because if it does decide to go to the EMA 20, you would have lost all your gains. You don't want that to happen. So if you have a trail stop, and if it goes up, you ride the profits. And if you just want to take the 10 to 15%, I don't blame you. Take that profit, lock it in, and be done with it. That's money for you, and you locked it in, right? You don't have to worry about the trade. So if you guys enjoyed this video on BNED, this is my analysis. I talked briefly about my Discord. If you want to join the premium Discord of only $6 a month or 20 cents a day, it is open for everyone. It's one of the best in my opinion, because I worked my butt off. I've done all the strategies you can probably think of. I love reversal trading. Reversal trading, you get these big upside moves, right? If a stock goes up to my upper bands, you get a big move in one direction, which is it goes plummeting down from $1.35 to 55 cents. That's a big freaking move. And the same thing, like I said, guys, the alerts you're going to get is my bread and butter type of plays, where you see a stock like this goes down some, and then we look for that reversal type pattern. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to join the Discord, I'll put the link down below into the YouTube comments and be pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. When you click that link, it takes you to this free chat landing page. Anybody with green is a subscriber. So if your name's not green, you're not subscribed. How you subscribe, please read how to subscribe. I have a section for that. Avoid scammers, so you can see people. A lot of people are going to probably DM you with my logo and my name. But do keep in mind, I will never DM you, and I'll never message you first. So do keep that in mind. What you want to do is head on over to the subscriptions tab and hit premium chat. When you do that, it will opt you to subscribe for only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. It's the best deal you can probably get for the education, the alerts, the transparency. You know exactly what I'm doing. You never have to say, why should we buy BNED? And you can use this chart for yourself, because there's a trampoline effect happening. Trampoline effect happening. Do I alert these type of trades? No. I alert the bottom reversals because I have an over 95% win ratio doing these kind of trades right down here. A lot of people find it very scary that a trade went down 64%. They're like, holy crap, I don't want to trade that. It's going to keep going down and down. But more people are willing, people love to trade it when it goes up 100%. You got to change your mindset. Think of, do not have that hopium of if a trade is going up 100%, you don't have to jump on the bandwagon. Let the price go down to where you need it. So if you guys want to join, hit the premium chat. It is cheaper if you do it on computer than on your phone. And it's only $6 a month, guys. You're going to get my RTK swing trades. These are my alerts. You can see my entries and exits, and it looks like this. I tag you, so you get a notification on your phone. If you're working, you can see that, and you won't miss a beat on anything. Education videos, you can see how to properly accumulate, how to use my indicators to be profitable and get your chart to look like mine. RTK Journal is the best thing that I did develop. I recently did this month. You can see my exact trades I'm in with my averages, with my wins and losses. So it will make you hype. You can see the transparency in this system. And like I say, if I'm winning over 95%, I'm willing to prove it to you. So nobody can be like, oh, there's no system that can win that high. Well, yes, there is actually a system, because I do a lot. I'm very cautious. If I'm not winning on a trade, let's say I'm down over 10, 20%, I'm looking to reset the average, because I know where price has to go back to. Every stock goes back to the reversion of the mean. It happens every time. You have this big move up, down, it goes down. This down move goes down. Where does it go back to? Your EMA 5, your EMA 10, and your EMA 20. If I was down on the trade and I'm just not liking it, I reset the average and I get back in on a better entry point. And that's really what I'm saying, guys. So I hope you guys really take this knowledge and really decide to say, you know what, hey, what? I'm not going to get a Big Mac. I'm not going to buy, I'm not going to eat out for, I'm going to save this $6 and I'm going to further my career in trading and learn a buttload of knowledge. Because like I say, guys, I've blown a lot of accounts. I know everything that's scary, and I know everything that's safe, and I know every possible strategy you can think of. I've done every option level 3 strategy. I am very advanced in a lot of things. So I hope you guys like this. This is reversal trading on trend reversals. I love it, and I hope to see you guys join the Discord. If you guys if you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. Peace out.